So this is a new upgrade I got for the kayak. Garmin sonar Striker 4. Hope you can see it well. So this thing on the right is the real time. It's what's happening right now. Watch. You see it's detecting my lure. There, you can see the lure. Right there. That's crazy. So anyways, I'll go to the lighthouse and see. Scout for some fish. It's also really stable, even if I'm going really fast. So there's no problem with that. It won't fall off. Wonder why all the seagulls are there. Maybe there's fish. I'm gonna turn around so you can see the screen better. Meters deep here. Yeah, there is definitely fish on the bottom. Whoa, look at that. It's a big school of fish. So now I'm using two frequencies to get a better picture. Just cruising around slowly until I see something good. There's something chasing the lure. You see, that's the lure, that's the fish. It's 30 meters deep here. Again. There's the fish. But it's not going for the strike. Could go try a bit behind the island. Going faster than the waves. Oh, there's many fish here. I think they're small fish. Whoa, look at this, guys. So clear. First time standing up on this thing. Let me try one more time. Whoa. You see, now this is in the way. I can't paddle freely. These freaking waves. Check out this view, guys. Also, thanks a lot for the likes and the comments. Helps out the channel. Anyways, that was it for today. Next time I'll get some bait and we'll catch something big.